In the heart of the Eastern Himalayas stands a university redefining skills, careers, and possibilities. A campus where learning meets life and ambition meets opportunity. In a world where skills define success, education must go beyond theory. Choose from over 35 diploma, bachelor's, and postgraduate programs, with paid, on-the-job learning integrated into every curriculum. Supported by a network of over 300 industry partners, ensuring you gain real-world experience while you study. Beyond academics, a campus life that shapes confidence and character. With 98% of eligible students placed and top packages reaching 9 LPA with 100% scholarship support. You don't just learn, you practice, grow, and succeed. Recognized among India's top skill universities, ranked number 4 by Outlook. Your journey begins here. Medhavi Skills University. Don't just study, build your future.